Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to perform different system action using single, double, triple mouse button click in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Store and just search for mouse key, and you can see here the application. Just click on it. Now just click on get to download this application. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on open. Now it will show you some instructions. You can skip it or you can click on next. So now you can see here various options. So you can click on this respective mouse button option, and you can see here middle scroll button. So whichever you want to select, or you can create your new button by clicking on this create new button and just click on the respective mouse button to add your own custom mouse button. So let me press the left mouse button. So you can see here it auto detects, and click on save, click on yes. Now under the click cadence, how many times you need to click, so I will just set it to 1. You can select 2, 3, 4, whichever you want. And under the actions, you can select the respective option, whichever you want to select. So I'll just click on this select all. And once you're done, just click on this button to turn it on. Now let us check if it really gonna work or not. Now let me try to select this respective folder by clicking the left mouse button once. So you can see below, select all. So it's working perfectly. And if you want to disable it, then just open back the application and just turn it off, then it will get disabled. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily perform different system action using single, double, triple mouse button click in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.